beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky, and if you wish to see more of my future videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, follow me around. Social media links are below in the description box. So in this video, I'm going to create this look, fall vampy kind of look. So this is that kind of look where you use berry colors and yeah, all this and that. So yeah, I have literally used very few eyeshadows today, and also it's literally very easy and very simple makeup tutorial. So if you all want to see how to create this fall vampy look, then keep on watching. Okay, I'm going to use this product, OXX Studio Eyebrow Tint, and I'm going to just brush it on top of this. Let's see, I'm just trying this product for the first time. Okay, now I'm going to do my face. So I'm going to apply this Becca First Light Priming Filter Primer. Now I'm going to apply this MINA colors Glow Illuminator. This is like this. And now I'm just going to spray some setting spray onto my face. So this is Revolution's Rose Fizz. If you do all this, like apply these kinds of stuffs on top of each other, then like your foundation will sit properly and it will last longer, and like it won't crease at all. So I guess applying setting spray on top of your primer really helps. So I'm going to now apply my favorite foundation, like literally I love this foundation by Morphe Fluidity number 310. I'm going to just apply some lip balm. So I'm going to just use this Butter Gloss by NYX. So I'm going to use a Morphe Fluidity concealer. So I'm going to blend this with this Real Technique Beauty Sponge. So this concealer is really good for your eyelids. Like if you want to use it as a primer, I always use my concealer as my eyelid primer. So yeah, I really like it, and like it dries really quickly, and like really good. It doesn't crease that much. A little bit over here. Yeah, it is creasing a little bit, but it's okay. So I'm going to just apply a translucent loose powder by Face of Australia. So I'm going to use this bronzer by Makeup Revolution, and this is Vivid Beige Bronzer. A blush from this Smokey palette, and this one is 9B, and I'm going to use this shade, this one. I think I have applied like a bit of blush here, so I'm going to apply this powder all over to the face area again. This is Fresh and Flawless powder by Australia's. So I'm going to use this HOLO Wow Essence highlighter. This is a sparkle stick, and I love it. Like, it's so pretty. So I'm going to use this Glow Fix setting spray by Makeup Revolution. So now I'm going to do my eyes. Like, I am so excited to do my eyes today, and I'm going to use this James Charles palette again, and you guys have already seen me using in 2 of my tutorial videos. So I'm going to use a transition shade just on the crease area. So I'm going to use this shade, and the names will be written here. So I'm going to use a Luxie Crease Brush by Zoeva. Now I'm going to take this yellow. Like, literally I want to apply a yellow on top of this color, like just above here. Okay, now I'm going to apply a dark shade on all over my lid area. So I'm taking this Zoeva 223 Luxie Classic Shader Brush, and I'm going to take this shade, and I'm going to apply this shade to all over the lid. Okay, I have applied, I don't know how many layers, but like, I'm taking this Sigma E36 brush, and I'm going to just blend. Now I'm going to apply this Revlon eyeliner. This is Gold Flesh in number 06, and I'm going to just apply to the lower part, not onto the waterline. So just to the lower part, just a pop of gold. I think it will look even more classy, kind of vampy look. I'm going to apply this black liner, pen liner by Tarte. Now I'm going to apply the same colors like this one, then this one, and then the yellow to the lower part. I'm going to take a small, like precise flat brush. And then with a small brush, like another small flat brush, I'm going to take that orange and apply. And I'm going to apply this Sephora's black liner to the waterline area. I'm going to apply this mascara. Okay, today I'm going to use this lash from Adele, and I'm going to use this XO Beauty lash glue, and like it's literally very messy here. So I'm just going to apply to this lash band, so like this, and I'm going to hold it like this and apply. I'm just applying like this and it's a bit dry. Just like this and it's done. So like you can see, like it makes a huge difference in this one and this one. Like applying lashes makes a huge difference to your eye makeup, and like literally I love the way this eyes looks. And if you are not that good in applying lashes, then like you can just do a simple look like this and like it looks literally good. Okay, this is how it should look. So this is the end result, and I hope you guys liked it, and I think it looks really pretty with my hair like this. Yeah, I think it looks really pretty, and it is so fall and so vampy, and like really goes well with my hair. And yeah, if you guys want to see more of these types of tutorial videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, follow me around. Social media links are below in the description box. And yeah, TikTok is still on, so like it's not closed in Australia yet. So yeah, the app is still running, so I'm posting videos on TikTok too. Do follow me there. and like I don't know till when it will be on. So I hope you guys watched my other tutorial videos. If not, there are lots of other tutorial videos here on my channel too. There is a makeup tutorial playlist on my channel you can watch. And yeah, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.